good little scenario, this one, because it's got the chamfered frame, so any pressure you put on there, if you don't have the right tools, you're just going to crease the profile. So we'll insert the spreader, but this time we're using the frame protector, Scotia protector. Go in. Just going to look for the cams. This one's just about down there. I'm using the long push-on cam on this one. It's quite far deep into the frame. Okay, so we relax the spreader, which you can turn relaxes the pressure. Remove the Scotia protection plates, and then we'll manually we go.